Attention all residents. This is a law enforcement warning issued by the emergency alert system. We have received reports concerning Rudi von Wolfdog. According to authorities, Rudi von Wolfdog is currently exhibiting erratic and dangerous behavior and is reported to have gone insane. He is considered a serious threat to public safety. Rudi von Wolfdog is a wolf, whose fur color is a mix of dark and light gray, often seen wearing casual clothing and exhibits a carefree attitude in public but has shown signs of instability. If you see Rudi von Wolfdog or have any information about his whereabouts, do not approach him. Contact local law enforcement immediately by calling 555-123-4567. Please stay tuned to local news channels and follow instructions from authorities to ensure your safety. This message will repeat at regular intervals. Thank you for your attention and cooperation.